Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your X, Twitter, account on mobile. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type X and find the official X app published by X Corporation. Tap Install or Get, then wait until the app finishes downloading. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the X app. On the welcome screen, tap the Login button. If you see options, choose Login instead of Create Account. In the first field, enter your phone number, email address, or username. Double-check for typing mistakes, especially dots, underscores, and spaces. Tap Next or continue to move to the password screen. In the password field, type your X account password carefully. Tap the eye icon if you want to reveal the password and confirm it is correct. Tap Login to submit your details. If you are asked to verify your identity, choose your preferred method like SMS or email. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Tap Confirm or Next to complete the verification step. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, open your Authenticator app if needed. Type the 2FA code and submit it before the timer expires. If the app asks to save your login info, choose based on whether the phone is private or shared. On a shared phone, select Not Now to keep your account safer. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Enter the email or phone linked to your account to receive a reset code. Create a new strong password and then return to the login screen. After logging in, allow notifications only if you want alerts for messages and activity. Check that your profile icon appears to confirm you are signed in. If you have multiple accounts, tap your profile icon to add and switch accounts easily. If login fails, recheck your internet connection and try again. Update the X app if it is outdated, then attempt to log in one more time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.